Kartik, so have you solved yesterday's homework? Have you
Yeah.
done it? Okay. Can you tell me table of 16 now?
Uh, yeah.
Okay.
So do you want me to say
Recite.
like 16? Okay,
Yes.
16 times 1 equals to 16. 16 times 2 equals to 32.
Hmm.
16 times 3 equals to 48. 16 times 4 equals to 56.
64.
64. 16 times 5 equals to 80. 16
Hmm.
times 6 equals to 96.
Yes.
16 times 7 equals 112. 16 times 8 equals 128. 16 times 9 equals 144. And 16 times 10 equals 160.
Okay. After yesterday's session, you learned this? You recite
Yes,
this? Okay. Do you feel that yesterday's class was helpful?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take one more table now. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you recite table of 13?
13. 13 times 1 equals 13. 13 times 2 equals 26. 13 times 3 equals 39. 13 times 4 equals 52. 13 times 5 equals 65. 13 times 6 equals 78. 13 times 7 equals 91. 13 times 8 equals 104. 13 times 9 equals 117. And 13 times 10 is 130.
Excellent. Very good. Now can you recite table of 18?
18.
Yeah. Can you
Uh,
try?
okay. 18 times 1 equals 18. 18 times 2 equals 36. 18 times 3 equals 54. 18 times 4 equals 72. 18 times 5 equals 90. 18 times 6 is 108. 18 times 7 is 126. 18 times 8 is 144. 18 times 9 is 162. And 18 times 10 is 180.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm just impressed because just in one day, one class, you learn these tables. And I'm so proud of you for this. Okay, Karthik? That's all for today's session. Thank you so much for watching. Happy learning! If you like this video, please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.